This is Sunset Beach. You can see it starts from the wood over there. Now it's about 6:30. People are waiting here to watch the sunset. Sunset Beach is not long as other beaches. Here, ice cream shop. It's really worth our visit. Today I have dinner at Madame Yoohoo restaurant, and you will know why it's called Yoohoo. And this is Madame Yoohoo. ขอเสียงหน่อยค่ะ
โรตี20ใส่ไข่30ใส่กล้วย30ข้าวผัดกะเพราราดข้าว70ขอบคุณนะคะที่มาอุดหนุนยูฮู
I saw a bunch of YouTubers filmed a video at her restaurant. I think it's unique because of her personality and the prices of her foods are reasonable. I ordered shrimp fried rice and seafood salad. The salads cost 150 baht and the fried rice cost 70 baht. They opened at 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Her restaurant is on Walking Street. Our salad. A Thai way to eat fried rice is squeezing a lime on the top and mix it before eating it. It's 6:20. We are going to watch the sunrise at Sunrise Beach. It's very close to our hotel. Sunrise Beach is pretty quiet. We're gonna walk around the beach. I will show you this side of Koh Lipe. They provide snorkeling tips, boats. This morning, I saw 2 monks. I asked a local if there are any temples around. He said that there's a samnak song. I'm not sure how to say in English, but it's not official temple. Here is a dry shop. You'll find corals along the beaches in Koh Lipe. From here to there is Pattaya Beach. Look at this sand. When you come to Koh Lipe or leave Koh Lipe, you have to get on a boat over there. There are many restaurants and bars on Pattaya Beach. At night, it will be very lively. Do you see the mountains? There are some hotel rooms over there.
A few moments later.
I will recommend you a restaurant. It's close to the edge of Pattaya Beach. Daya restaurant. Their foods are good. If you wanna go to Pattaya Beach, you can go through Walking Street. A lot of pharmacy here. If you need any pills, you'll be fine. And a medical clinic. Here is a roti place. นุชโรตีผลไม้ gonna try cannabis pancake. This is the ambience at Walking Street in Koh Lipe. Most restaurants and shops are open in the evening. So this is a bar in Koh Lipe. I saw pool table last month. If you are a breakfast person, don't worry. In Koh Lipe, there are many breakfast restaurants around. You see, this is the taxi in Koh Lipe. Wherever you go, if you get taxi here, it costs 50 baht. They got dim sums and some Thai tea. I'm getting iced lemon tea. He's gonna use Southern Thai tea. This is another breakfast restaurant. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.